Hello guys, my name is Dennis, thanks for coming to my channel, and today I'm going to check again the FSD beta version 11.4.4 in Brooklyn, New York. I'm going to go to Capital One Bank, and let's see how the beta going to perform here. I'm staying in a double park. Let me just double tap here. Let just those pedestrians go, and after they're gone, I'm going to double tap here, and we're gonna start it. We're gonna start the FSD beta. Let's see how the beta gonna turn here. Before there was problems to turn here. Let's see if the beta gonna figure out the route how to turn here. Okay, the beta is no, guys. I'm gonna disengage the beta because it's a little bit struggling here, and I'm gonna engage the beta again because there was construction and a kind of strange road. That's why I disengaged the beta, and let's see how the beta gonna perform. Now we're gonna go straight. Alright, and right after the green light's on, everybody start moving, and the beta also start moving forward. Very nice. There's always no problem with that. And we're going straight on the next light. The beta gonna turn right, and we'll see how it's gonna be. And like always, I'm gonna try do not touch wheel, do not touch pedals as much as possible, and also let me turn on the camera here just for you for better visibility that what's gonna happen on the back of my car. Alright, and I see the green light, and we should start moving forward. It asks me to apply some pressure. I did that, and I think it's gonna be no problem to turn in here. There's no pedestrians, nobody here. Let's see if the beta gonna choose the other lane right now, if it's gonna move to the other lane. Okay, they better choose to be in that lane. Very good. And yes, now we're just gonna go straight, and then we're gonna turn left on Ocean Parkway. And the beta slowing down here because of the double parked cars. Like I told you, I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna try to not touch as much as possible. The beta is super slow here, but okay, it's caution because the cars could just try to move to go on the road, but yeah, the beta actually did great here. Let's see the cones. That's why it's moved. Very nice, very good, perfect. And now the beta gonna turn here right. I mean, the beta gonna turn left. Sorry, guys. And over there, I think they changed the roads there. Let's see how the beta gonna be there. And also there is two lanes that turning left. Let's see also how the beta gonna handle that, if it's gonna be any problem. Alright, and I see the green light, and let's see if we're gonna start moving forward with everybody. Yes, very nice, very good. Like I told you, it's two lanes, they turning left here, and there is actually construction on the road. Let's see how the beta. Okay, there's somebody actually start honking to me. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna disengage the beta because the beta trying to turn. I'm not in a good lane. Let me engage the beta again here. Trying to turn on the opposite side of the road. Wow, look what he's doing. I don't know if you see that. Crazy. Okay, now we're just gonna go straight 1.1 mile till Avenue T. And I think it's gonna be no problem here, but you see in that route is already second disengagement. I mean, the first one maybe there was necessarily maybe the beta gonna figure out how to how to go. But over here in the Ocean Parkway, there was the disengagements because there is car behind me, there is traffic moving, and I don't know, I don't want better, so just stay there and thinking what to do. And now here, the better just gonna go straight, and I hope it's gonna be no problems to going straight. And today is very nice here in the Ocean Parkway. There is no traffic. The better decided to move to the middle lane. Okay. And yeah, so far here, the better doing great job. Let's ask me again to apply some pressure on the wheel. I did that. And it's a red light. Let's see if the better gonna stop perfectly here. Yes, that's no problem. Stopping here. Very nice, nice and easy. Perfect. Alright, so it's a green light and we start moving forward. Very good. No problem here. Okay. Okay, the better slowing down because that car is turning and that car was a little bit on my lane. That's why the better is a little bit slowing down here. And in the 0.4 miles, we're gonna turn on Avenue T. I'm just barely touching the steering wheel. You see, it's even asked me to apply some pressure because it didn't feel. Okay, and the better decided to move again to the right lane. Because in the 0.2 miles, we're gonna turn right. And actually, that's a great decision here. Okay, and over here, the better should turn. Turn on the blinkers. We're going a little bit fast. Let's see. Okay, very good. The better did great job here. It's turning perfectly right with a good speed. Very nice, no problem here. And again, we're gonna go straight till 0.4 miles till East 16th Street. And then again, the better gonna turn right. And we're perfectly going straight here. All right. Very good. Very good. Let's see if we're gonna stop or we're gonna pass that light. We passed that light. Okay, no problem here. And it says stopping for traffic lights. And once again, nice and easy stop. Perfect. All right, green light, and they better perfectly start moving forward. Let's see if it's gonna move it a little bit to the right side. Yes, very good. Very nice. And over here in this light, the better gonna turn right. Let's see how the better gonna perform that. If it's not gonna stop on the yellow light, no, it's not. Okay, better you can move. Very nice. I didn't press nothing. It's just the better start that fast. Wow, very good. Very nice. And in the 400 feet, I think now it's less. Yes, it's gonna be my destination. I'm gonna disengage beta because I wanna park here. Okay, I'm gonna park here. I'm already at the bank, at the Capital One Bank. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna post next video soon. Thank you. Bye guys. Bye.